back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this mermaid wavy hairstyle. So let's get started. Okay, so you want to start off with straight hair, and I just straighten my hair because my hair is naturally really curly and thick, so I always straighten my hair. I'll put a before and after on the screen so you can see exactly what my hair is like. It's very thick, so I have to straighten it first. And you also want to make sure there's no knots in your hair, because there's nothing worse than having knots in your hair when you're doing curls. It just pulls and it just makes it so much more difficult. Next, you can part your hair where you normally like to part it. I always part my hair down the center, so that's what I've done. And then just bring all your hair to the front, and then we're going to work on one side first. So you want to section this in half, and sometimes I don't do this if I'm just going over my hair really quickly, but because I do have really long thick hair, if I don't want to miss any spots, then I will do this. I'm using my GHD Platinum Plus. I really like this because it not only makes my hair really smooth and shiny, it also has rounded plates, which works really well when I'm doing the waves, because it doesn't put like those kinks in my hair. It just makes the waves like really smooth. So I'm going to start on this side and just take like an inch thickness of hair, and you're going to start, I don't start all the way at the top, maybe like just about here, and then you want to clamp the hair and twist. Hold it for a few seconds and then release, turn it the other way and bring it down a little, just like a centimeter, just so you're not going over the same section of hair. Hold it for a few seconds, again moving it down a little. So you're basically just going forward and back. Move it down. And sometimes I like to like pull it through the hair just a little bit. And then when I get to the bottom, I'll do one more little curl and then just leave the end kind of straight like that. And there you have a little wave. How cute is that? So I'll just throw that in the back and then work on another piece. So if you want smaller waves and like more of a voluminous look, then you can just take smaller sections of hair. And if you want the waves to be like tighter, then you can just do them a little bit closer. So the same thing, you would hold for a few seconds, but don't move it down as much, just a little. So that's the bottom half done, so I'll move on to the top. And it really doesn't take me much time to do this, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. Especially if I'm not sectioning off my hair, I can do this really quick. And same thing, I'm not starting all the way up the top, just a little bit down. And if you want the waves to be further apart, you can pull the straightener through the hair while you're holding it, and that's going to make the wave longer. And then you release, move it down a little, and that will give you a wave that's just a little bit more spaced out and just a little bit bigger. And I just do the exact same thing at the front of the hair. So I just start about 2 inches down, and yeah, same process. That's pretty much done. I will spray a little bit of hairspray. I normally don't even spray hairspray, but I will do it a little bit today. Okay, so this side is done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the other side. Last piece of hair. That's how easy it is to wave your hair and achieve these mermaid waves. I just love how they look. You can brush them through if you want, but I just like leaving it like this. I think it looks really nice. And I don't like too much hairspray because I don't like my hair to feel stiff. I like it to be really flowy and soft. As long as you have a straightener, you can do this. You can go over any bits if you think it hasn't curled properly, or you just want to touch up and add a few more curls. I might do that just over this side. But yeah, this is really easy to do, and this has been like my favorite hairstyle recently because it's so easy, but it also looks so nice, and I just think it's really effortless. It lasts me a long time as well. Like the curls hold really well. It makes my hair look so shiny because you can see the waves and it catches the light in every curl, if that makes sense. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. So yeah, I think that's everything. Don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed and you found it helpful, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!